Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 95. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. The 90 East Ridge is a submarine volcanic ridge located in, as you can see on the map, it is located in the Indian Ocean. The 90 East Ridge is a 5,500 km long north-south oriented submarine volcanic ridge in the eastern Indian Ocean that formed from magmatism associated with the deep-seated Kerguelen mantle plume as the Indian plate drifted rapidly northward during the late Cretaceous period. The Helmand province of Afghanistan is famous for cultivation of opium. Helmand is one of the 34 provinces of Afghanistan located in south of the country. Helmand is believed to be one of the world's largest opium producing regions, responsible for around 75% of the world's total production. This is believed to be more than the whole of Burma, which is the second largest producing nation after Afghanistan. The cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki are located on which among the following islands of Japanese archipelago? The correct answer is Honshu and Kyushu respectively. Honshu is the largest and the most populous island of Japan, located south of Hokkaido across the Tsugaru Strait, north of Shikoku across the inland sea, and northeast of Kyushu across the Kanmon Straits. Kyushu is the third largest island of Japan and mostly southwesterly of its four main islands. The island is separated from Honshu by the Kanmon Strait. Which of the following countries are separated by Strait of Gibraltar? The Strait of Gibraltar is a narrow strait that connects Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea, as you can see on the map. So the correct answer here is Morocco and Spain. So it separates the peninsula Spain in Europe from Morocco and Ceuta in Africa. The names come from the rock of Gibraltar, which in turn originates from the Arabic Jebel Tariq named after Tariq ibn Ziyad. Which of the following places of the world is known for guano, a uniquely produced natural fertilizer which has a high concentration of nitrates? Guano is basically a bird excreta. So it originates from the Quiche language of the Andes and means the droppings of seabird. It is popular in the coastal headlands and islands of Peru where it is manufactured. Andean people collected guano from the coast of Peru for use as soil enricher. Laterite soils are formed due to the following actions. The correct answer is leaching. Laterite is a soil and rock type rich in iron and aluminium and is commonly considered to have been formed in hot and wet tropical areas. Nearly all laterites are of rusty red coloration because of the high iron oxide content. They develop intensive and prolonged weathering of underlying parent rocks. Pemba and Zanzibar islands of Africa are famous for the cultivation and export of cloves. Pemba Island is part of Tanzania's Zanzibar archipelago off the coast of East Africa. It's known for its lush green hills and clove plantations. The temperate grasslands or shrubland biome is commonly known as 1. Steppe in Central Asia, 2. Prairie in North America, 3. Veld in South America. Choose the correct options. So it is known as steppe in Central Asia and prairie in North America. However, in South America, it is known as pampas. Which of the following rivers of North America originate from the Rocky Mountains? 1. Mississippi, 2. Missouri, 3. Colorado, 4. Rio Grande, 5. Columbia. The correct answer is Missouri, Colorado and Columbia, which is options 2, 3 and 5. So the major Atlantic bound rivers rising in the Rockies include the Rio Grande, Arkansas, Platte, Yellowstone, Missouri and Saskatchewan. Those draining to the Arctic include the Peace, Athabasca and Liard rivers. Flowing to the Pacific Ocean are Colorado, Columbia, Snake, Fraser, and Yukon rivers. Which of the following are erosional landforms? 1. Inselbergs, 2. Loess, 3. Zeugin. The correct answer is Inselberg, Zeugin, and Buttes, or 1, 3, and 4, which is option C. Now, Loess is a depositional landform and not a erosional landform, whereas Inselberg, Zeugin, and Buttes are all erosional landforms. Inselbergs are usually because of erosion. What happens with Zeugin is wind abrasions, and in case of Buttes, it's formed by erosion when hard capped rock covers a layer of softer rock that is eventually worn away. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.